Okay, no, it's been a little bit since a video, but I'm gonna try and prime this up here. This isn't the best rig to do it with, but I'm doing like kind of like a budget kind of thing going on, so I am kind of scared to do this because I am not the best with a spray can, but I'm gonna give this a try here. But if it doesn't work out, I'll sand it and redo it. But the only reason why I'm doing it like this and not a hard edge, because it doesn't look wrong. Because if I do it like this, it'll fade right in with the other paint, and it'll be less that I would have to sand and less that I would have to do. And at the end of this, it would cost me less money to do it, so it'll be okay. I had regular paper. By the way, don't mind the holes. I know these aren't taped up. I might just do them holes just in case. But there's a hole over there taped up, holes over there taped up, taped up. So the only reason why it's like this is so no hard edges, so everything comes out fine. So I'm gonna get to this and hopefully it turns out okay. I am pretty scared to do this, but let's see how this turns out. All right, the fumes are pretty bad. Should have worn a mask. But if you guys are doing this for real and you guys are in a booth and all this, please wear a mask. This stuff can cause diseases and harm and everything. Because I'm outside, I'm dumb enough that I didn't wear one. But this stuff like can cause cancer and types of bad everything that can be done to you. But I should be okay since we're outside. There's enough stuff going around. But yeah, I didn't get any spray off. By the way, this is not primer. This is just scratches from the previous owner. But if you guys can see, it did pretty well. I would say so myself. And now I gotta let it dry for 15 minutes. Sand it. And then I need to go back if there's any bondo spots that need to be redone. Just bondo them right up real quick and then do whatever. But I don't know if I'm gonna do the bondo today because I only have a limited amount of daylight left. So I'm gonna let this dry up and come back to you guys after 15 minutes or so and keep going with the thing. So yeah. All right. Fully dry. Might have to bondo a couple spots here, but everything seems to be okay.